Having overfilled transmission fluid could be quite harmful to both you and your car. You shouldn't take any chances when it comes to your transmission's fluid level. Thus, in this video, we'll be discussing overfilled transmission fluid, its causes, and consequences if not tackled. How much transmission fluid does a car hold? Some cars may require up to 17 quarts, while most cars need only 4 to 10 quarts. To determine the specific amount and type of fluid needed, check the owner's manual or contact a dealership. If you no longer have the manual, you can search online for a credible source. Symptoms of an overfilled transmission fluid. Transmission fluid leakage. If you see transmission fluid leaking, it may be due to overfilling. It's important to monitor the fluid level and get your car serviced promptly to prevent damage to other components. This can save you money and trouble in the long term. Encountering difficulties changing gears. It can be an indication that the transmission fluid level is too high if you're having problems shifting gears. The gears may stick if the fluid level is too high, which will then cause the gears to slip and improperly engage. Slipping gears. If the transmission fluid level is too high, the gears could slip when engaged because excessive fluid levels prevent the gears from meshing correctly. Check the transmission fluid level if you notice slipping gears. Slow acceleration. If your car has slow acceleration, it could be due to overfilled transmission fluid causing foaming on the gears, resulting in improper gear meshing. Burning odor. A burning odor emanating from your car may indicate that the transmission fluid level is too high. As a result of the transmission's overheating, a breakdown may eventually occur. Noise from the transmission system. If the transmission system starts making odd noises, it could be due to excessive fluid. High fluid levels can cause gears to grind and generate noise, hindering them from meshing correctly. High fluid level on transmission dipstick. To check the transmission fluid level, remove the dipstick from the port and compare the fluid level to the high and low indications. If the level is high, it may mean the transmission fluid is overfilled, which can cause the transmission to work harder and overheat. Consequences of overfilled transmission fluid. Overheating transmission. Excess transmission fluid can cause overheating and damage to internal components, leading to expensive repairs or gearbox failure. Total transmission failure. Excess transmission fluid can cause malfunctions by straining the seals and gaskets, leading to leaks and reduced hydraulic power. Wear of transmission system. Excess transmission fluid can cause premature wear on gearbox gears, making it harder for them to engage and potentially leading to stripped or broken teeth. This could also impact other transmission parts like bushings and bearings. Too much pressure buildup. Overfilling transmission fluid can cause excessive pressure buildup, leading to seal failure and expensive repairs. That's all.